Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about logo design with Leonardo AI tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Leonardo AI is an advanced artificial intelligence technology that helps us create logos quickly and easily. We use Leonardo AI for logo design because it simplifies the logo creation process and saves a lot of time. In the past, making logos required contacting graphic designers or spending hours in software like Photoshop or Illustrator. Leonardo AI, on the other hand, uses powerful AI algorithms to generate logos based on our input, making it a convenient and efficient tool for designing logos for individuals and businesses. So as you can see, here are different images onto the platform generated by other users. So let's go ahead and dive in onto Leonardo AI by creating an account. So just simply click onto this button in here. And as you can see, there is a note that you will need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. So if you aren't on the early access list, you need to register. So you need to add in your first name, your email, and then click on count me in, and then you'd be able to see different prompts to follow. Then right after that, you'd be successfully whitelisted. So once you're already whitelisted and you've done all of those steps you'll just need to simply click onto yes, I am whitelisted. So right after clicking onto that, you'd be able to see this login page wherein you'll have the option to log in with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or just simply put in your email password. And if you have forgot your password, simply click onto this and click on to sign in. And if you need an account, simply click on to sign up. So you'd be able to see privacy policy also in here and the terms of service. Now let's go ahead and click onto this one. Now, once you're actually logged in, here's what will greet you. We can see in here the different models featured by Leonardo AI. We have your photo reel, Dream Shaper V7, 3D animation style anime pastel dream, and you have many more in here. So just simply click onto this button in here and you'll see more featured models. So here onto the bottom, you could see recent creators done by other designers. So you could use this search bar in here if you are in need of something. You could use this upscale. You could choose also trending. You could choose new or top in here. And then it will load the different images that aligns with this one. So here onto the left side, you'd be able to see the different start here buttons. So we're currently at the home button. We have here the community feed, personal feed, the training and data sets, and fine-tune models. You could also see the different tools in here, which is the AI image generation, AI canvas, texture generation, and the settings, fact and help. Then here is the log out button. Now here onto the upper part, as you can see, we have here is token. So it resets in 9 hours and it may take up to an hour to update your tokens. So we have here 122 tokens as of the moment. So these tokens are actually really helpful since they are like fundamental units of information that help the artificial intelligence understand and process text or image inputs. Each token represents a discrete piece of content such as a word or a pixel. So the number of tokens used in a task directly affects the cost, as tasks with a higher token count require more computational resources. So it is really important to be mindful of token limits when using Leonardo AI, as exceeding them can result in incomplete or inaccurate results, and users are typically charged based on the total number of tokens used in their interactions with the platform. So as of the moment, I have here 122 tokens. And if you want more, just simply click onto this upgrade button in here. Then you'll be redirected to the plans of Leonardo AI. So as of the moment, we're currently using the free plan, which is 150 fast generations per day. But if you want more, you can simply subscribe to the other plans we have in here, which is $10 per month. The apprentice, the artisan at $24 per month, and the maestro at $48 per month. And if you scroll down in here, you'd be able to see the plan details in here. So make sure to review all of this detail in here so that you would be able to choose which one you would like to subscribe. Now let's go back onto the dashboard. So the first step that we'll need to do in here to create a logo is we'll actually go in here onto the recent creation. So we could use this recent creation as our guide or our inspiration into creating our logo. So these recent designs that we have in here can serve as valuable guides for creating new logos by providing inspiration and showcasing current design trends. So by analyzing successful and modern logos, you can gain insights into effective color combination, typography choices, and visual elements that resonates with today's audiences. These can help you make informed decisions when crafting your own logo, ensuring it feels contemporary, relevant, and visually appealing to your target audience while avoiding outdated or overused design elements. Usually, we'll just need to use the search bar so that we could easily search onto those different logos. But however, as of the moment right now, the search bar is temporarily disabled, so you'll just need to wait to be active again. So we'll just try to manually browse onto this recent creation in here so that we could find in some logos that we could use as an inspiration for our logo design. So as you can see in here, we have here an illustration of a fox. So we could try to click onto this one. We could try to use this. So this one, we have here the prompt detail, illustration of a fox. It has pastel tetradic colors, vector art, cute and quirky, fantasy art, watercolor effect, digital painting, low poly, retro aesthetic, focus on the character, 4K resolution, white background. So here onto the bottom part, we have here the input resolution, resonance, the pipeline, presets, prompt magic strength. When it was created, the contrast boost, seed, prompt magic, and roam mood. We also have here different related images onto this one. But let's try to use this one out for a logo. So simply click onto this image to image button in here. So you could actually create a new one. We'll just need to copy the prompt so that you could have the same generation. But for more accurate generation, let's try to use this image to image. So this will copy the prompt over to the AI image generation user tool, as well as load the image into image to image. So you can create variation onto this. So let's simply click onto that and you'd be able to proceed onto the AI image generation page. So as you can see, the fine-tuned model used onto this is Leonardo diffusion. So we have here the tokens, the number of images that will be generated, the photoreal, prompt magic, alchemy, public images, image dimension. So you could choose and here the image dimension for that. We have here the guidance scale and the image also added already in here. So we also have here the init strength. So this is actually very useful because this will preserve the original image and more if you have this at under the higher rate. Let's try to leave it onto 0.3, and then to really test this one out, let's try to have this one as a logo of a dog. So since this is still a fox, let's remove fox in here and then we could add in dog. So let's try to see what it will generate. So this will use 5 tokens for that. Now let's scroll down in here onto the generated image. And as you can see, this one is the guy that we've used, and these are the generated images. So it looks like a dog right now since we have changed it. So if you try to click onto this, you'll have the option to delete this image, download the image, copy to clipboard. You have here the unzoom image, the remove background, the creative upscale, upscale image alternate, HD smooth upscaler, and HD crisp upscaler. So let's try to download this image so that we could use that as our logo. So we have here the other design as well of a dog. So let's try to download it. Let's go ahead and try to move in the strength in here to do another generation. So let's go ahead and try to see what we could change also in here. So as you can see, we have very cute and quirky. So we could have this one change out to fierce, the different information as well. So let's remove this white background. We could change this one onto blue background. So let's try to see what it will generate. So there are actually some instances that the AI would have a hard time onto generating. So make sure to really make use onto your token or use it wisely, since there are some times that you'll need to use it often. So as you can see, we have here the similar images that was generated with the blue background already. So let's view this one onto Zoom. Let's have this one downloaded as well this other photo. And there you have it. You've gone ahead and learned how to create a logo in Leonardo AI. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave it down on the comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.